Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This is your sacred time to awaken with gratitude, align with peace, and step into your day with light. Let's begin. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With each inhale, welcome calm. With each exhale, release all tension. Feel yourself arrive fully in this moment. Bring your awareness to your body. Thank your heart for beating, your lungs for breathing, your legs for carrying you, your hands for creating. Whisper softly, "Thank you, body, for all that you do." Now think of the simple gifts around you, the air you breathe, the light of the Sunday, the people you love, the opportunities that await you today. Repeat, "I am grateful for this life. I am open to receive its blessings." Feel your gratitude expanding from your heart outward into your home, your city, and into the world. Imagine waves of gratitude touching every soul. Repeat silently, "May all beings be happy. May all beings be free." Now rest in this vibration. Notice the peace. Notice the joy. Gratitude has shifted your energy. You are aligned. You are present. You are ready. Take one last deep breath. Feel gratitude filling every part of you. Carry this light with you into your day. Thank you for being here. This is Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, be grateful, be free,